Serbia has finalized a $335 million deal with Israeli defense company Elbit Systems, marking a significant step in its military modernization strategy. This agreement includes the acquisition of advanced artillery rocket systems and reconnaissance drones, which will greatly enhance Serbia's defense capabilities. The deal includes the PULS artillery rocket system and Hermes 900 drones. The PULS system is a highly versatile platform that can launch a variety of munitions with a range of up to 300 kilometers. It features two modular pods capable of firing different rocket types, allowing for rapid response without repositioning. This system will significantly improve Serbia's artillery capabilities, providing it with a powerful tool to respond quickly in times of conflict. The Hermes 900 drones, with their long operational range and advanced surveillance systems, will bolster Serbia's reconnaissance and intelligence-gathering operations. This acquisition comes in response to growing military advancements in the region, particularly from neighboring Croatia, which has recently procured the American Hermes system. Serbian President Aleksandar Vučić has emphasized the superiority of the Israeli systems, particularly the PULS, positioning them as a direct countermeasure to Croatia's growing arsenal. In addition to the direct military advantages, this deal strengthens the defense ties between Serbia and Israel. These two nations have had a long history of military cooperation, with Israel having provided support to Serbia in the past. The deepening relationship is now taking another step forward with this new agreement. Serbia's acquisition of the PULS system and Hermes 900 drones reflects a broader trend in Europe, where other nations like Denmark, Spain, the Netherlands, and Germany have also adopted the PULS system. This growing adoption highlights the system's versatility and effectiveness in modern military operations. With this deal, Serbia is reinforcing its defense capabilities and maintaining a strategic balance in the Balkans. As tensions rise in the region, this acquisition ensures that Serbia is well-equipped to face future challenges and safeguard its national security. The $335 million deal with Elbit Systems represents a bold move toward strengthening Serbia's position in the region and securing its military future. The combination of advanced artillery and reconnaissance systems will give Serbia the tools it needs to stay competitive and maintain stability in the Balkans.